Alright guys, here we are. We're back for another video. Today we're going to be doing pretty much the durability test, performance test on this bike. This is a Yamaha PG1, and we're just outside of Angkor Wat in Cambodia. We're in Siem Reap. That's the name of the town right there. So makes sense. And this is also Cody's bike, which we went for a little night ride yesterday, and somehow he fell, like he went into a bunch of mud. It looks totally dry. I'm actually gonna go there later today to show you it. But it looked totally dry, but for some reason it was like a dry crust, but it was like super soggy, nasty underneath. I didn't go in it at all, so my bike's totally fine. But I am gonna go in it, and I wanna see how deep it really is, see if I can make it through. Like, this thing is pretty off-road capable, so. And hopefully we get to go more places and see more stuff here in Cambodia than we did in Phuket with the last video. So yeah. So we're gonna make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so we found this mountain, this hill, and it's by that big lake. So let's just go up it and see what it's all about. Oh, what's this crap? Oh, nothing. Absolutely nothing. Okay, so actually I couldn't actually go up all the way because there was a temple and apparently I need a ticket I don't have. So that's like a dude's right here. And we were just over there. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna go back to find that mud yesterday and then we'll go from there, okay? Okay, now we're on some side road here, still on the outskirts of the city here. And oh, there's some mud up there. I gotta go through it. It can't be that deep. Yo, it gets way worse. Oh crap, I think I'm getting cooked here. Yo, this is so bad. Look at how big that rut I made was. Oh, there's so much blood on my leg now. Oh wait, this is the end of it. My shoe's so muddy. Okay. It's not even that deep at all. Yeah. Oh, so here we are, I found another road. It started out as like one of the main roads, and then main dirt roads anyway. And then just slowly kept getting worse, so. There's actually a couple muddy spots, which I'll show you later. Oh, what's going on here? I'll return. The water is so deep right there in front of me. It's so dry, but then you also get some super wet spots too. I guess it's actually kind of crazy. Riding in shorts because it's so hot. It's like above 90. So hopefully I don't fall. Okay, so look at this. This looks, you know, like nothing, right? I have to go through that. Hey, is that? I don't even know where I am. But I know the trails, so that's all. That's the important thing. Oh, you know I'm gonna have to do it. This right here. I have to. That is crazy deep. Like, look at that. When it's small like that, it's fun, because you won't get stuck. Oh. Hope I don't. That's not muddy at all. Dude, let's see how deep this crap is. Not that deep at all. I was hoping it would be deeper. Okay, hold on. Let's go. So here we are. This is that mud hole I was talking about that got Cody's bike dirty in the first place. And there's some big, huge ducks here. Those things are huge. Okay, so let's drive through it. Okay, the water is not bad at all. Oh crap! I'm stuck. No, I'm not. I'm stuck. I can't believe it. It's totally dry. I think they put dirt on top of it. It's not actually dry. I don't know how I'm gonna get out of this one. I'm covered in mud. That's actually crazy. Yeah, my shoe. It's so bad. Oh, my shoe. The bike is like nothing. Okay, so I think I almost got stuck again at a different spot, but here we are. Found this little hole here. Hopefully I don't get stuck, but Yo, there's crazy trails here. Oh. Ow. That's actually kind of crazy there. I didn't even know this went through. Yo, I don't know where to go. Okay, guys, I went over. I think I might be cooked. Like, look at this crap. Okay. Oh, yo! Ah! That was a close one. It's not as soft as the other spot. Okay. Oh, that's good. I'm gonna finally get out of this trail. So apparently we're at some kind of temple here. I don't really want to ride around too much, but like there's people here and everything. Oh, something just fell right now. Yeah, that was like a full-on temple. There's actually people. I didn't think it would be a temple in the middle of just rice fields. Okay, so we're down towards the lake. This is like the closest road to the lake, let's say. It's kind of on the lake. Though my camera's getting turned sideways and it's not really ready to fix it unless I hold it. I don't want to do that. And I think these people don't really want us down there either. But here we are. Because the sand. You know, I'm gonna stop and try to fix the camera. kind of sucks, but you can't see anything. I'm just gonna head back to the hotel, okay? I hope that was a good video. Oh, okay, I decided to take one of the side trails because I want to head back, right? But it's getting so tight. There's a canal to the left, and then the field of not rice, that's something. Well, actually, that one right there is rice. So this will get us back, hopefully. They got so tight back there. Here we go, finally. Okay, it looks like we're getting back to the main road now, so. Okay, you guys got to believe me on this one, but I just got chased by a dog. And there's another one. Crap. Here we are, we're at the main road. So yeah, I'll show you the bike riding back to the hotel, but that's gonna be the end of the video, so make sure to like, subscribe, and hope you enjoy the video. And okay guys, so here's the bike. I don't know if you can see it, but it's actually kind of muddy. But no, it's pretty good. You saw the bike before. I mean, it's pretty muddy. So again, no, this is going to be the end of the video, so make sure to like, subscribe, comment. Hope you enjoy it, and hopefully there'll be more videos like this in the future. I don't know. It won't be like this, but hopefully there'll be more good ones. So, and yeah. And that's going to be it. So yeah.